Good afternoon. Wish you happy feast of Our Lady of Fatima, Fatimapur. So I am parish priest of Our Lady of Fatima Church, Timapur and Fatimapur. I would like to say few words. The history of Our Lady of Fatima at Timapur and Fatimapur. It was happened in 1942. Before that, in 1917, the appearance of Our Lady of Fatima, those days, the three children who saw Our Lady, so they are given the picture of the Our Lady of Fatima. The same statue has been brought to this Fatimapur when it was on the Archdiocese of Hyderabad. So 1942 onwards, it has become the pilgrim church of Our Lady of Fatima. From that onwards, many people used to come here to venerate Our Lady of Fatima. From that onwards, thousands of people used to come to Fatimapur to venerate Our Lady of Fatima and intercede Our Lady of Fatima for the goodness of their families. Like that, year by year, it was developed. Here, yearly they used to celebrate 2 times. The main priest will be celebrated on 13th of May every year, and many celebrations will be celebrated on 13th of October. So there is a notion is there, Our Lady of Fatima used to help all the people who come to her and ask her help. So many miracles have been taken place here. The devotees have believed that Our Lady of Fatima used to pray our Lord Jesus Christ to shower His blessing upon their families and listen their prayers. They experienced. That's why the flock of the people used to come here and intercede Our Lady of Fatima so that they are getting so many graces through our Lord Jesus Christ. The strong prayer of Our Lady of Fatima, because she is Mother of Jesus Christ. She knew very well about our needs. So the main intention of Our Lady of Fatima, she is requesting us to pray for the sinners to convert and ask us to get the forgiveness from the Lord and be with the Lord. He is expecting everyone to go to heaven. Like that, he used to ask everyone to recite the Holy Rosary every day, and all the family members sit together and recite the Holy Rosary. She used to say, I used to sit along with you to recite the Holy Rosary. Like that, she encouraged everyone to recite the Holy Rosary to convert the sinners. Like that, so many miracles has been taken through the intercession of Our Lady of Fatima. So, on behalf of the Pilgrim Church, I am inviting everyone to come over here to ask Our Lady of Fatima to receive the blessing from our Lord Jesus Christ. And this year, we are unable to celebrate the festival of Our Lady of Fatima due to lockdown, the coronavirus. The government is not allowing us to celebrate the public mass. That's why we did not invite you to participate in Holy Mass. We are very sorry to say that. So next year might have been, we are going to celebrate very grandly Our Lady of Fatima. Even the month of October 13th, we used to celebrate. Please to come and to participate in this Holy Mass and intercede Our Lady of Fatima. And another thing, today we telecast 3 masses, Telugu, Tamil and English. But first two masses, Telugu and Tamil, we telecasted very nicely. Most of the people watch the YouTube and TV, but unable to telecast the English mass due to technical problem and power problem. That's why we are saying sorry regarding the telecast of the English mass. So we may send some records to you to YouTube the previous year's mass celebrations. So please you can watch the masses of your regarding the festival of Our Lady of Fatima.